Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechMoGo. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Soundpeats Air4 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. All right, so before we get into this, I just got to let you know, Soundpeats did send this out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. That is very, very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. Let's go over some of the features real quick. But before that, let's take a look at the box. So we've got some Soundpeats branding up top. We've got the earbuds front and center. Air4 Pro at the bottom right corner. Yeah, we've got some features on the side here. These got 13mm dynamic drivers. We've got 26 hours of playtime, and we've got hybrid active noise cancellation. And then in the back here, we've got more features and specs. Picture of the buds. You can pause here if you want to take a look at this stuff. All right, so let's open this up and we'll see what we get inside. All right, right out the gate, you see the earbuds there. Now these come in two colorways, black and white. They sent me out the white ones. Very nice looking. Before we open it up, let's see what else we get in the box. So we've got, all right, we've got documentation, a user manual, and it looks like a quick startup guide. So user manual, quick startup guide. And then see if there's anything underneath this. We got extra ear tips, small and large, medium installed from the factory. And then on this side, got a USB cable, charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. So we've got documentation, we've got extra ear tips, and the earbuds. All right, let's put all this stuff to the side and we'll take a look at the earbuds. They come in this white colorway. It looks like it has some kind of, can't remember what it's called. It's like a pearl type finish to it, where it kind of looks like it changes colors some. I don't know if the camera's gonna see that, but it is a smooth white finish. Again, kind of like a pearly finish. We've got some Soundpeats branding right here on the hinge. Got the USB-C port on the bottom here. Got a LED light in the front there, shows you that we have some battery life. And here are the earbuds. Maybe we'll use that as the thumbnail. Before we dive into this, before I take them out, let me grab the Air4s just so we can compare. And here are the Air4s. So the Pro is a little bit wider, but then a little bit shorter compared to the Air4, the non-Pro. And I really still like that copper hit right there from the hinge. Very, very nice. Here they are. So they're both very compact. All right, so let's take out these buds and let's take a look here. So we've got a stem design. On the bottom, we've got our charging pins. We've got some left and right branding, which I really appreciate. It just makes them more premium looking. We've got Soundpeats logo on the outside in silver, very nice. So yeah, these are touch controls. So you've got a nice flat spot on the earbuds for when you're making changes. Again, Soundpeats branding, very nice. These are looking clean, guys. Let's try them on and see how they fit. All right, so they are super lightweight, very comfortable in ear. That is how they look. Very clean. Again, very lightweight. And again, with the medium-sized ear tips, they fit me. They fit me nice. They fit me good. All right, so let's connect this to my phone and see how they sound. You know what? Before we do that, let's do a magnet test on these bad boys. Ooh, dang. Right out the gate, one popped out. I don't know. Let's try again. Let's see if that was a fluke. The left one's coming loose. So fail, guys. Fortunately, these did not pass. But this case has a very nice solid click. And I doubt this is gonna pop open. Look at that. Yeah, no problem. Even if it's loose inside, you can hear it moving around. And it's just that. It's just the right one, the right side. No problem with the left. Yeah, it's just that right side, guys. Not sure why, but they're a fail. They're a fail, but again, this lid is nice and solid. They're not gonna fall out. All right, let's connect it to my phone real quick. Before I do that, let me give a shout out to this phone. Picked up a Motorola Edge 2022 version. Be on the lookout for this video. I've had it for a few weeks now, and it's a solid phone, guys. All right, so make sure you've got Bluetooth on. Let's go here, pair new device. There they go. They popped up. Soundpeats Air4 Pro. Hit connect, hit pair. And there you have it, guys. We are paired. Very nice. And it shows you on your phone how much battery life is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says 100%. So very nice. All right, so let's put these on and we will see how they sound. Again, they are very, very lightweight, guys. All right, let's see. Yo, these are nice, guys. They are loud. I've got it at right around 70%, and they are loud. They sound good, guys. Plenty of bass. Voice clarity is on point. Yeah, I wish you guys could hear this, man. These sound really good. I like them. These are gonna work well for watching YouTube, watching Netflix, and listening to music. You know what? Before I take these out, these have a gaming mode, low latency game mode. So let's pull up a game real quick and see if we've got any lag issues. All right, it's been a minute since I played, but let's try this real quick. All right, we've got the Evo. Still a noob at this, guys, so I'm sorry if I'm no good, but so far no lag. Ooh, so no lag, guys. Everything is on point, and it sounds awesome. All right, so that is cool. Okay, so no problems when you're gaming. No lag, everything sounds nice and on point. So they passed that, guys. So they're gonna work for gaming as well. So we've got Bluetooth 5.3, so you're gonna get nice connectivity. We've got adaptive hybrid noise cancellation. It's gonna block out some of that noise. And we've got a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset with lossless audio, meaning that this can stream CD quality sound. And we've got in-ear detection, and you can use one in-ear and one in case. That way, if you need to hear your surroundings, you're good to go. Again, this has 26 hours of battery life. And let's see what else we've got here. And these bad boys have 13mm dynamic drivers, so plenty of bass. All right, so more on the battery life. So we've got each of the earbuds are capable of 6.5 hours of playtime, and then if you use the case to charge, you can get up to 26 hours. And to me, that is plenty of time. And yeah, guys, these earbuds are nice. So yeah, guys, for right around 50 bucks, you've got a lot of features and they sound amazing. All right, guys, so if you guys want to check this out, I will post a link in the description. As always, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. And if you found this video helpful or you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechMoGo. I'll see you in the next one.